What color is it?
Red.
Red. Say, it's red. It's
Red.
red.
It's red.
Very good. So, bale, ito yung mangyayari. Yan. So, ito yung Bellbird. I will introduce you Bellbird. Ang Bellbird po is free lang po yan siya na English, para siyang messenger or para siyang Skype, kung alam niyo yung Skype. Parang nagbi-video call lang kayo. Can you hear, teacher? Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. Say yes. I
Yes.
can. Yes, I can.
Yes.
I can. I can. Say,
Yes, I can.
wow, very good. Okay. My name is Abby. My name is Abby. What's your name? What's your name? My?
Gian.
Okay, Gian. Gian, can you say my name
My name.
is Gian?
My name is Gian.
Whoa, good job, Gian. Very good. Okay, now Gian, how old are you?
I'm 7.
Wow, awesome job. I'm 7. So, good job, Gian. Now, let's what? Let's learn colors. Let's learn colors. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Look. Look at teacher. What's this? What's this?
I can see teacher.
What happened to teacher's face? What's this? What's this? It's a
Apple.
apple. Okay, very good. It's an apple. Say
Is
it.
an apple.
Okay. What color is it? What color is it?
Red.
Red. Say it's red. It's
Red.
red.
It's red.
Very good. Okay, next. What? Wait a minute. What happened to teacher's face? What's this? What's this? What's this, Gian?
Carrot.
Carrot. Yes. Say it's
It's
a.
carrot.
It's carrot. It's a carrot.
It's a carrot.
Carrot. What color is it? What color? It's
Orange.
orange. Wow. It's orange. Very good. Okay, next. What is this? What's this? It's jumping. What's this, Gian? What am I?
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin? One more time. It's sweet. It can be a juice. It starts with letter P too. Pine,
Pine.
apple.
Apple.
Yeah, say it's a pineapple.
It's a pineapple.
Very good. Okay, Gian, what color is it? What color is it?
It's yellow.
It's yellow. Good job, Gian. You answered all correctly. Okay, so where is teacher? Teacher, hello. All right. So hi, Gian. Very good. Congratulations for today. All right. Now, Gian, I have a friend. Hmm. Meet. Do you like birds, Gian? Do you like birds? Oh, say yeah.
Okay.
Say yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Okay, here it is. I have a bird friend. My name is.
Hi.
Hi. What's your name? What's your name?
It's Gian.
Oh, one more time. My name. My name
It's my
is.
name. My name is Gian.
Very good. Okay, now, Gian, let's play. What color do you see in my body? What color do you see?
Black.
Black.
Orange.
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 What color is this?
Blue.
Okay, say it's blue.
Blue.
It's blue.
Blue.
Okay, one more. What color is this?
Green.
Say it's green. It's
It's green.
okay. What color is this? It's
Blue.
say it's blue.
Blue.
One more time.
It's
It's blue.
blue.
Okay, next. What color is this?
It's yellow.
It's yellow. Yeah, very good. Congratulations. I have a prize for you. Beep beep. What's this, Gian?
It's bus.
It's a bus.
A bus.
Yes, all right. Wow, very good, Gian. Congratulations. Because of that, I will give you chocolates. Do you like chocolates?
Yes.
Yay! All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, Gian, very good today and see you next time. Okay? Bye
Okay.
bye.
Bye bye.
So, we will sing bye bye,
Bye
goodbye,
bye.
goodbye,
Goodbye.
bye bye, bye bye, goodbye,
Bye 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 bye. Bye
goodbye,
bye.
bye
Bye bye
bye,
bye bye.
goodbye, bye bye, bye bye, goodbye, goodbye.
Bye.
Bye, Gia. See you next time. Bye bye. Okay. Wow. I'm so happy. Yung anak mo pala yung papunta mo. Alright. So that's it, guys. Isang example yon ng online class with a kid. So a 7-year-old, pinagpawisan ako, guys. Oh my God! So, Mami Karen, salamat Mami Karen sa pag-introduce mo dito sa anak mo. Akala ko ikaw. Right, but I really had fun. So guys, ganun ang ginagawa ng isang online English teacher pag yung mga bata students. Kailangan talaga you are very creative and fun. Pero pinagpawisan ako, guys. It's my first time to have a Filipino student. Yes, you heard it correctly. It's my first time to have a Filipino student. But Gian was very attentive. So as you can see there, English learning is you really kailangan talaga turuan mo yung mga bata na gumamit ng complete sentence. So 'di ba, usually ganun talaga. Normal 'yun sasabihin ng bata, blue, green. So ang gagawin natin, ile-level up natin yung skills nila which is making a complete sentence. So napakasimple lang. Turuan mo lang sila, it's blue, it's green. So ganun. Ganun yun, short lang yun na klase. Pero usually, ang dapat gagawin pa doon is maglalaro pa kami. Tapos, so, nakikita nyo guys, hindi lang tayo natuturo ng colors. Tuturuan din natin sila paano gumawa ng sentence. Kung ang lesson mo is about colors lang, okay lang naman din yun. Pero dapat meron tayong knowledge extension. So dadagdagan natin yung lesson nila. So kung sinabi sa lesson na for sa inyo today is colors, so dadagdagan mo dapat yan, level up mo yung lesson, i-enrich mo yung lesson. So you're gonna add how to make a complete sentence, you're gonna add how to identify fruits. So sa lesson lang na colors, makakapagdagdag ka pa ng marami pang lesson. So, hindi niya na mapapansin na tututo na siyang gumamit ng complete sentence. So, yun lang guys, di ba? Ang enjoy, ang saya-saya, kaya ganun yung gawin. So, ganun yung isang online teacher pag mga bata yung hinahandle. As in, ang next adult naman, adult. Ayun. Okay, that's all. So, basahin ko lang yung sinabi ni Mami Karen. Sabi ni Mami Karen, it was good teach kasi you guided him talaga para makapagsalita siya in complete sentence. Nalilito lang daw siya doon sa narinig niya na paulit-ulit daw na voice, pati boses niya narinig niya. Oo, yun din. Yun din yung mahirap sa kanina. Nahirapan din ako doon kasi nag-feedback. Pero grabe ha, na kaya niyang i-manage. Pero happy siya teach, especially doon sa mga effects ng cam mo. Hirap lang talaga siya masalita kasi Bisaya. Ay, Bisaya. Alright. So magbababay na tayo guys. So again, before tayo magpaalam, mega mega love shout out para talaga sa lahat ng pumunta dito. Si Rox TV, si James Van Pradas Official, si Chai O8 Vlog, NH Sangma, Jake 101 Vlog, thank you so much. Who else? Sis Karen, Joy, si Kuya, of course, Kuya CBTV, Fire Tiger Vlog, thank you so much. Very good teacher. Can you teach me too? Fire Tiger, ikaw ang next ha. Oh, tignan mo si CBTV, oh, natuto siyang mag-introduce ng kanyang sarili. Right, so babay na tayo. Bye everyone. Thank you again. See you next time.